Ever wondered how long it takes for your hard-earned cash to journey from your pocket to your loved ones overseas with Acorn? Let's dive in and uncover the speed of Acorn money transfers. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty of transfer times, let's talk about why speed matters. Imagine sending money for a family emergency, tuition fees, or simply to support loved ones. Time is of the essence, right? So, how does Acorn stack up? Well, the truth is, it depends. Several factors influence how quickly your money reaches its destination. Let's break it down. Factor 1. The send and receive currencies. Converting currencies is a crucial step in international money transfers. Some currency pairs are more liquid than others. Think of it like converting dollars to euros versus dollars to a less common currency. The more liquid the pair, the faster the conversion and subsequently, the transfer. Factor 2. The chosen transfer speed. Acorn often offers different transfer speeds. There's usually a standard option, which is generally quicker, and then an economy option, which is cheaper but slower. It's like choosing between a speedy express train and a leisurely bus ride. Factor 3. Destination country. Different countries have different banking systems and regulations. Some countries process international transfers faster than others. It's like sending a package. Delivery times vary based on the destination's postal system. Factor 4. Recipient's bank. The bank receiving the money also plays a role. Some banks are more efficient at processing international transfers than others. It's similar to different stores having varying shipping speeds. Factor 5. Weekends and holidays. Banks and financial institutions usually don't process transactions on weekends and holidays. So, if your transfer falls on a Friday evening or during a holiday period, expect some delay. It's like trying to send a letter on Christmas Day. Now, let's talk about Acorn's estimated transfer times. While these are estimates and can vary based on the factors we've discussed, they can give you a general idea. Standard transfers. Acorn often boasts same-day or next-day delivery for many popular corridors. This means your money could be in the recipient's account almost instantly. Economy transfers. These can take anywhere from a few days to a week. It's a good option if you're not in a rush and want to save some money. How to check the transfer status. Acorn usually provides a tracking feature. This allows you to monitor the progress of your transfer in real time. It's like having a GPS for your money. Tips for faster transfers. Choose the fastest transfer option available. Send money during weekdays to avoid weekend delays. Double-check the recipient's bank details to prevent errors. Consider using a popular currency pair for quicker conversions. So, while there's no exact answer to the question how long does Acorn take to transfer money, understanding the factors involved can help you manage your expectations. Remember, Acorn's speed is generally competitive, and for many people, it's a reliable option for sending money abroad. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.